My name is Julieta Estefanidas. Hi, my name. There is a dining room in my home. This is a picture of the dining room. You can see that table with a tablecloth. There are many black chairs. There is a bottle of soda. Those are 6 green nappies. This is a picture of of the backyard of my home. There are many plants of various types. There is table out plants on. This is an enclosed space. This is my bedroom. That is a big bed. There is a wardrobe in the left. There is a TV on the wardrobe. There is a night stand beside the bed. Those pictures are hanging in the walls.